Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a household styles with Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an all-in-one AI creative platform that will let you to generate any AI content like maybe AI images, AI talking photo, avatar video, product showcase, and many more. And in here, we will use this tool to create a creative AI image, the hostel styles image. And okay, and if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions and pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI and then just choose Image Studio, go to AI Designs, upload your photo like this, and then just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt, you can just copy my prompt, or if you want to create your own prompt, just feel free to create it like this. And then just choose your AI model and choose your ratio, and then after that resolutions, and click submit, and then just wait for the process. And okay, let's just take a look. Oh, okay, like this, you can see it. Your photo will be transformed into an adorable household styles. I think it's so adorable and cute like this. And okay, maybe next you can just try this tool yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.